guys, I'm back again to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm going to teach you guys or show you guys different example of input inline tag. So now I'll start with input text. Yeah. So now this input text specify an input user where the user can enter the data. That means if the user want to enter his name, now you need if you are creating a form for your website and you want to create a part where the user can insert his name, so you are going to create something like this: user input type text. So now let me save this first and then go to my web page, and then you see it over here. So you can type anything. You see, you can type anything here. So now the second one will be input. Let me just say input button. So now this input button, they asked me to insert a value for it, and this value you can put it anything, but let me show you guys first. Let me just assuming I don't know what to put inside there, so let me just save it and then go to this and then look at the button here. There's nothing in it, so let me just go back to my value and then add this and save it. You see it here? Isn't it cool? So now let's just go to the third one, and this time around going to be checkbox. So now this is the checkbox here. This is the work of the checkbox. I'm sure you used to see this kind of stuff in any website to find yourself in. So now we'll create another one that will look like this checkbox, but to be a little different with this. That one will be like radio, not the radio you see in your house, but this one is going to be a different type. So like you. So now this is the radio I'm talking about. They're almost the same, but their function is different. And see, once I click on this one and click on it again, it disappears. But this radio, once I click on it once, it's still on. So let me try refreshing it and see the thing clear. But when I click on it again, it can't change. So now let us go to the next one and then input color. This input color will give you different colors you need. So let me click on it and then you see, that's great. So you can choose any color from here. This purple, this blue, green, and then whatever. So this is it. You can even change the color code like AC, ACL, X, RGB. See? So now the next one I'll go for is input email. This input email, if you want your user you want this input user more about it, that I should insert an email for it. I'm using an Android phone now to code this now, and I want to once I click on this form here, let me save it first. Once I click on this image, this input email, it will show me this art on my keyboard. But once I'm using the text, it will show me this art. You can try it if you can try it. It will show this art if you are using this input here. but if you are image input to show you this art here. So now let me do this one to be input date. Yeah, this is it here. So when I click on this small icon here that look like a calendar, you see what to bring showcase for me. So now this is the month and year over here. So when I click on it, I can set the year, maybe 2023, and that month January, set the year first, sit here. So maybe if I want to like clear this, I can clear it and then click on today to like show me today date, everything. See here. So look at this tutorial here. You can like easy form just see it. So now the next thing I'll go for is input daytime slash input date tag I've been local. So now let's refresh it. So now you can see it here now. So when I click on this same icon here, see what's great for me. This one to show you the calendar now, to show you the time. So let me just set time to 15, that is 3:26. Sit here. So let me now click on today to show me everything here. Let me click on clear and then today. Yeah, it shows me the exact time of the exact month, year, date and time too. You can see it here. So let me just clear it. And then I want all this, I want to arrange it properly, all this my code properly. So let me use the break tag which represents the break line. I'm going to use 2 so that to like give too much gap. If you are really enjoying this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and comment also if you need any help on this. And also if you need the app for this text editor, this is Virtual Code. This is Virtual Code app. But if you want to use Android, you should use Trap Edit if you are using it to code. So now let us go to the next one. The next one I'm talking about now is input submit. So let me first save it. You see, this is not magic, it's the code I use for it. So don't think it's the magic. So now the next one will be input submit. You can mostly this input submit when you are creating a form for your website. So let me put submit here, or let me save it. So now pay attention about this now. So when I refresh it, it brought out this for me, submit. So let me insert anything over here. So now once I click on this submit, it did not perform any action, it did not do anything here. The reason why it did not perform anything here is that input. Once you are talking about like submit, you can either do button submit or input submit. So now for this input type submit to work on your code page, you need to insert a form tag. Oh shit. So now it is ready here now. So let us go to our code page and then refresh. So now that I've done that on my on my code page, sorry, this is your web page. So this is my code page. So now once I have done that there, so let me then insert anything there and then come over here to this is the, remember this is the image, I mean the email input here, and then let me click on submit. You can see what is showing me here now, that I should add an art for the email address. So when I add the art here, and then you can see now it's ready here. When I click on it to refresh, can you see? Look at how cool it is now. So now thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to view more content like this. Like and subscribe, and also to comment over there too. I'll be very grateful, and also to ready to watch my next video on this channel.